Kenny, word is born, it's that butter. I'm spitting back at all of them on this track. Believe that. The A&Rs that try to hold us back and everybody. From now on, I'm making moves, not plans. That's the shit